Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today I'm working on a pocket letter. Exciting because this is my first attempt, so it might be a very long-winded, long editing pocket letter. I'm using my new paper pad collection from Hobby Lobby I picked up in my last haul. It's the Pine Street Square. No, I did not pay $19.99 because it was half off for the Christmas, anything Christmas. And I think this is 8.5 by 11. So we're going to go with 11. Anyway, I have no ephemera, so I'm just going to be working with my paper pad with whatever I come up with. I might also be working on, working out of my 12 Days of Christmas also from Hobby Lobby that I picked up the same haul. I don't remember how big to make these things. And since you're putting things in it, you should make it like a scant is what I saw on YouTube, like a scant smaller than what you really need. 2 5/8 maybe. Yeah, we'll go with that. Well, it'll help to measure your height. I guess I'm gonna go 3 5/8. We'll see. Anyway, they were using one of these tools into this, so we're gonna cut it down again. And this was 2 5/8. Gosh, if I make it 2 1/2, how about 2 1/2? Go with that. Makes my mouth 3. Try the 3 5/8 first, Eileen. Whoops. And then you can go from there. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, we're gonna go with that. Whoops. Yeah, and don't lose track of which one you're cutting. So I'm just going to work with what I got here, 3 5/8. And the only reason I'm keeping this in order is because I want it to be like a big picture. So I want it to look like a big window. That's the only reason. You don't have to do it like that. You can do all different colors or all different papers, but right now that's what I'm going with. So it could be one panel right like that. And I'm going to continue to cut this and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is what I've got after cutting it up into pieces. So I'm going to gather up my stuff and see what it is I want to use to put into my envelope, and I'll be back. Okay, we're back. So it's the next day. I lost track of time, so I forgot to turn my camera on also. So I got this far on the pocket letter. And what I did was, on the 12 by 12 pad, they have the countdown page, and there's 3 sheets of this. So I used one sheet to get my numbering, and I cut them up and put some fancy edges on them. Some of them are popped up with the medallions, cupcake liner. Anyway, so the first one was on the inside of the pocket, and then after that I was like, you know what, let's just decorate the outside of the pocket. So what I came up with for the first 3 pockets, actually the first 2 I just used the gift tags. And then the second one, I came up with these envelopes, which I'm working on right now. So I took another or several sheets from the 12 Days of Christmas pad. I just chose, you know, a variety of paper I picked out to work with for my pockets. Okay, and what I did was I cut them into strips to the width of the pocket, and I didn't fold it up even. I just folded it over so that there's a little flap on top. And I wanted to be able to get my things in and out of the pocket, so I used my little hole puncher. My hole puncher from Martha Stewart. I think it's a 1-inch. Punch the hole, half a circle, or not even a half a circle. Just enough so you can get your finger in there. And that's what I'm putting my goodies in, to at least conceal the back, and then the back will look pretty too. Okay? So here we go. I already glued this pocket, but I will show you how I am gluing them. Just using my hot glue gun, and I'm putting the glue on the shorter side of the pocket. What I'm doing is I'm putting it right on the paper and dragging the glue gun. That way it's not leaving a big mound of glue. Take that and just fold it onto your finger. Now fold it down. I use the bone folder so that it presses that glue flat as flat as possible. And I'm just going to continue to close up my pockets, and then I'll fill them in. You don't even have to do this. You can just stick them in the back of that paper and it'll conceal it enough, but I guess you could say I'm a little extra. Treats. So let me just show you. So once you get your goodies in here, okay, I'm just going to use these for an example. Take your goodies, and I guess I don't have to tell you, just load your pocket, really. Stick them in there. It doesn't matter because you can fluff these little babies up. But the whole purpose is you take your pocket, doesn't matter if it's sticking out or if you can see it there, because the flap, I popped my pocket. Let me fix that real quick. Alright, try that one more time. I'm just stuffing it in there. Alright, so I'm going to fill the rest of these pockets and load my page protector here, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I got it all done. Got the pockets filled, and I'm keeping it very light, trying not to have so much bulk, because when I go to add it to the envelope, which is your regular business, whatever you want to call this, envelope, I'm going to fold them up so that I want to be able to fit in my envelope. It fits. I think I'm going to adjust my tabs on this top. So we're going to probably cut off the top. Guys, I'm going to cut it even shorter to cut the hole off. And I'm going to do the same to this one. Use my hole punch. Yeah, it works. So this one, like I said, this was the first pocket, and I took the tag and just added a piece of the scrap paper that I was already working with. So this was just a part of the front paper. And I just glued it down and made a pocket. And we're gonna just take this and put it back on. And that is done. So now, these would actually make really good gift card holders. So it is a pocket letter. So the first envelope, or the first pocket, has my letter. A letter to my pen pal. And that is mainly just to cover up the envelope. I mean the letter. So we have that done. Have it. It's just very simple Dollar Tree. That's all I got. I'm just gonna tie these into bows because they're annoying. All right, so I'm gonna close it up just like that. Press it down. There's my envelope. Okay. That's it, guys. So I'll see you next time. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also leave a comment down below if you had any suggestions on how else to make this loaded envelope, or not loaded envelope. This is a pocket letter. Make this pocket letter go a little easier and faster. And I would love to see your creations. Thank you so much for supporting my little channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.